Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux. Let's check it out. Banknifty, Nifty and couple of stocks which I have shortlisted for Monday session and key levels to trade on these indices and stocks. Let's start with Bank Nifty. This is hourly chart of Bank Nifty. I have already marked all the key support resistances and the decision points on the chart, so you can refer these key areas, expecting that these will be respected in the coming session. Let's get started on 15-minute time frame. If you see, there was this rising a wedge was formed on last few sessions, and then there was a perfect 1:5 risk to reward ratio trade has been given. Currently, if you see, Bank Nifty is trying to form a W-like pattern over here, not yet confirmed. So we will have an confirmation on the long side only on certain key decision points or confluence points to be confirming on Monday session. So let's just quickly move on to the 5-minute time frame. And this is the Friday session. A lot of volatility on the Friday session already have been seen, and this is the upper trend line which is expected to be broken if market has to create a proper W pattern. So this will be your confirmation level over here, and if you see, there are multiple confirmations. There are two key decision points over here. So if market on Monday breaks out, retest this area and try to go upwards, you can very well plan for a long trade on this level. Entry will be somewhere around 43,380 with keeping a stop loss just below this area, and you can expect a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade over here. Okay, so your stop loss will be somewhere below this trend line over here, 43,300 round figure. You can keep the stop loss. 43,380 will be your entry, and you can expect 43,500 as a target, which will be again a round number basically. Again, a key decision point over here, and good price action is expected if this happens basically. So I'm expecting after these 2 days of tremendous selling, there will be some retracement, and we will be having good trade on the long side, even if a retracement happen, not necessarily a trend reversal basically. So this can be one scenario which you can definitely look for on Monday. What if it doesn't hold valid and Bank Nifty would exhibit something like this kind of move, where again this trend line is respected and price goes down, falls below this Friday low and kind of retest. So if you just give me one moment. If you mark a trend line at the bottom, this will be your trend line at the bottom. Okay, and any break below would cause a retest, and likely that market will fall back to 42,960 odd levels. And if that happens, you will be having a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high pattern over here, which is typically continuation of our downtrend which has been happening from last two sessions. And here also you will be able to get a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade on this. So approximately 43,100, this is once again a round figure, would be your confirmation point, keeping a stop loss somewhere around 43,150 odd levels, about 50 points stop loss, not more than that, and 100 points profit target. 1:2 risk reward ratio trade. Bank Nifty is forming some real good price action in last couple of sessions. So these are the expected moves, and you can have good risk to reward ratio trades on Bank Nifty. Moving on with Nifty, slightly different mode over here. Basically Nifty is in clear downtrend. It is not actually forming any sort of W kind of pattern. Double bottom has not been formed yet. We got a lower bottom over here actually. Okay, so it's a lower low, typical lower high, lower low pattern basically, nothing more, nothing less. But it is also right now Nifty is in its monthly support or demand area actually. Okay, and this is also signifying with this key decision point over here. It is very much expected that in the Monday session, if any bullishness has to come, this level of 18,250 odd needs to be protected by the bulls. And if that happens, in that case you will be seeing a pattern something like this. Again, testing of the upper key decision point, a retracement, and a continuation like this. And if that happens, you will also get a good long opportunity in Nifty somewhere around this level. For 18,315 odd levels, you can take an entry, keeping a stop loss of 18,270, which will be of about 35 points stop loss on Nifty, and your profit target will be this upper key decision points, which will be 18,420 odd levels, basically. Again, making it good 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade. I'm looking for this long side trade on Nifty, very much convinced, because after this tremendous selling of 2 days, there is a pause, a slight retracement is expected. And even if you see using a Fibonacci retracement, you will be finding that on Fibonacci this was your swing high and this is the swing low. So now what we are going to do is basically slight reversal and a retracement up till this 0.5 or 50% retracement is quite an possibility, should not be an issue. If at all Nifty breaks below this 18,250 odd levels, then there will be a free fall of another 50 to 100 points, which will be basically again moving up to going down up to 18,130 odd levels, basically. So that can be one of the scenario. In case if the selling pressure continues, you will find a pattern like this, a small retracement and continuation up till this level. In that case, you will be having a short trade. Entry would be somewhere around 18,225 points. Let it confirm that this strong key decision point or support area of 18,250 is getting broken, and then you will be having a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade even over here. This is on the short side. Both of the scenarios are having good number of confirmations and confluence points. My vote goes for an upside move. If that happens, I will be much more convinced basically to take it up. Now let's quickly move on to the stocks. Tata Motors is my shortlisted stock. If you see, there is this key decision point which has been tested over here, 422 odd levels, 23 in fact. Slightly below, it could not actually hold. It actually went up till 427 but could not hold up, and in the last 15 minutes this strong candle could not finish on the upper side. Now on Monday, if it breaks above 423 and holds for opening 5 minutes, you can take a long trade in Tata Motors. 423, above 423 will be your entry. Keep a stop loss below this 15-minute candle of 419. Okay, so 423 entry, 419, good enough, like 1% stop loss, and you can aim for minimum 1:1. That will be like 429 would be your first exit, and 1:2 risk to reward ratio also can be uh, kind of trailed over here, so you can trail your stop loss. Extremely good volume in last 15 minutes, couple of 15 minutes candles, last half an hour. This big buying or this institutional buying should be holding, and stock should be exhibiting some good upside move. No downside entries, no selling in Tata Motors. A lot of consolidation has happened into this area. It should be breaking up, and that will be our opportunity. So look for Tata Motors on Monday. Next stock is Dr. Reddy's. Once again, a lot of hammering happened in last couple of sessions basically, but then if you see again, extremely high volumes in last half an hours, and this very strong bullish engulfing on the last 15-minute candle. I'll be absolutely okay to take a long trade on uh, Dr. Reddy's above 4,385 odd levels. Okay, and if you take an entry over here, your stop loss will be 4,334, approximately 50 rupees stop loss, 1.2% of overall stock price, and 1:1 minimum is the what is the target you should be looking for. Somewhere around 4,442 will be your target area basically. So this makes it a good long trade on Dr. Reddy's. I am actually uh, looking for a reversal confirmation over here rather than trend continuation on the downside. Lot of hammering has happened, lot of downfall has happened already into the stock, and this engulfing over here exhibits that there is some good buying interest in the big players in Dr. Reddy's. These are the two stocks for Monday. This is like my analysis for Monday. And if you like the content, please like the video, share, and subscribe the channel. Let's once again meet in the next video. Thank you all for watching.